We are pleased to show you the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Come take a test drive today.